Hi guys, I just wanted to do a couple of really quick videos just showing basically what we're doing when we're regrouping. Okay, now we have come across regrouping in our arithmetic, but we haven't really looked at what it is. Okay, so I want to show you what is happening when we're regrouping, and I thought the best way to do that is by Deans. So you can see that I've drawn out my part-whole model here basically, and I've got my equation 26 plus 15. Okay, 26 plus 15. Now obviously we could partition those numbers, okay, and work it out, and that's what you're going to be doing in your maths lessons, but I want to show you what's actually happening. Okay, so first thing to do, we've got our two numbers here. I've got our 26 and I've got my 15. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tens first of all. Okay, so I've got two tens here and I've got one 10 here, okay, which make, put those together over in my hole, they make our three tens. Okay, so we've got, I'm going to put it down the bottom here, 30 here. Right, then we're going to take our ones, our 6 and our 5. There's our 6. There's our 5. Okay, so we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so what we've got here is, when I've talked about it in our arithmetic, I've called it the sneaky 10. Okay, the sneaky 10. This 10 here in our ones, because at the moment it's just made out of our ones, but we can regroup 10 of those ones because we know that 110 is worth 10 of our ones. So I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take those out of the way. Regroup that as a 10. So now what I've done is I've put this 10 with my other 10s to make 40, and I've only got 1 1. Okay, so I've now got 40 and 1, 41. So instead of having lots of ones here, okay, we've crossed over that because we've got more than the next 10. So instead of having 30 here, we've now got 40 plus that 1. Okay, so when you cross over 10, and this is where your make 10 strategy comes in. So with my 2 and 26, if I add 4 onto that, I'm going to get to the next 10, 30. I've still got 2 more, 30, one more, 31, and I've got my 10. But basically what we're doing is, from those ones that are here, we're putting them in here together, but when there's more than 10, we regroup in groups of 10. So there was 11, so I regrouped that 10. Okay, I'll do another example so you can see. Move those out of the way. Let's do 38 plus 24. Okay, so I'm going to make my 38. There's my 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 38. We're going to need another one. And 1, 2, 3. Nope, just 2. Right. So I've got my 38 and I've got my 24. So I'm going to take my 10s again. 3 plus 2. While I'm doing this, you can work that out. 3 10s plus 2 10s. It's going to give me 5 10s. So I've got 50 here. And then I'm going to move my 1s, my 8 and my 4. There's my 8 and my 4. And again, in my 1s, I've got more than 10 here. So instead of having all these 10s here, I can regroup, okay, one of those 10s, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But that sneaky 10, okay, I'm going to regroup. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of the way, trying not to rub my board out. And I'm going to put that 10 in there. So I haven't lost anything. I've just taken 10 of those ones that are here, and I've regrouped them for 110 here. So now instead of having 50 and 12, I've got 6 10s and 2 1s. So that's basically what's happening when we're regrouping. We're taking some of those 1s and we're regrouping them for a 10, okay, that we've got there. Or if I had 24, I could regroup them in 2 groups of 10 and then have 4 over. Okay, that is what we're doing there.